Well, what's going on, folks? Welcome back to the channel. Today's a special one. Gonna do a trolling motor install. I got the new MotorGuide Xi3 Kayak edition with the 36-inch shaft, and there's the stuff that came with it. This is the On the Water Innovations PA14 front bow mount. Got the MotorGuide quick release bracket, and then a couple of trolling motor plugs so that I can wire it all up, and then some 8-gauge wire and some connectors, and then don't forget a waterproof 60 amp breaker. So you guys are gonna come along with me for the ride. We're gonna see if we can do this. Stay tuned. Alright, so got the rod tubes out, because you got to take these bolts out under here that attach to this. These have to come out so that you can actually mount the bow mount. So this just gives us a little bit more room to work with. And actually it's not these, it's these back here. I don't know if you can see those, it's really dark. We'll get it. Well, now looking at it, apparently you don't have to take those out, because they're just screws here, and they have their own little inlet. So, well, a little wasted work, whatever. It's fine. Bow mount comes with the red and green lights and a sticker. You know, because we all have stickers on our kayaks, right? Right. Let's see. Okay, take it back. It's not wasted work. You got to take the handle off, and then they give you other screws, so you have to actually drill through the hole. So, not wasted. Is to take a 1/4-inch bit and drill all the way through, which nobody likes doing, but I guess it's necessary. can't kind of do it that way. So I put in, use 3/16 to drill all the way through. I'm going to use a quarter just to kind of open it. Make it sit tight. Yeah. Let's see. I realize the lighting is terrible based on where I'm at. I'm in my garage, but can't really help that. Sorry, guys. Shoot, dropping everything. Getting the strap open just a little bit to let that new bigger bolt get through there. Yeah, there we go. All right. Let's put this through here. There we go. The bolts, straps back in, just like that. That'll be in there nice and tight. Let's see. Oh man, guys, I gotta take it back off. I didn't put the quick release bracket on there to begin with, and you can't mount it with the stupid plate on. We'll be back. Any of you guys ever break a bolt? Yeah, that happened. That sucks. So I had to find a different one that'll now work because I broke it trying to unscrew it, which is weird, but I'm gonna make it work. Hold on. Alright, I wanted the black one, but I couldn't find the black one in stock anywhere. So, That's not gonna go away. I don't know. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. Got the bracket all out. Let's see. So, just these. Obviously, use the top. Smaller washer on the top. I'm not a big fan of nylon washers because I feel like I always break stuff with them. Oops, this one was the wrong one. Too tall. I'm just going to tighten those down with an Allen wrench. Oh man. More annoyances with nylon bolts. They really annoy the piss out of me. That one Allen screw is not gonna be as tight as I want it, but it's also not coming out ever. So if I ever sell this boat, it's going with it because tired of trying to deal with it now. No bueno. Get this all back together now. It's supposed to be. Trying to finish. Saw nothing. Trying to finish this first part. Golly. Obviously in the habit of breaking stuff today, and I don't want to break any more things. Guys showed up, so hopefully it's not too loud, but I'm not doing the nylon bolts again. I've already broken one, so I'm going to go with lock nuts instead. I mean lock washers, not nuts. What? Hello. There we go. I didn't break something this time. Alright. So neighbor's lawn guys came. So while that was happening, I put the rod tubes back in, get the plates back on. Try not to over tighten them. And hopefully you can see a bit of light in here. Maybe not, but the bolts are in there. Now, the plate. It's good to go. Wind up. Now, have to do all the wiring and such. So, stay tuned for that. That'll be part 2 of the install. So, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, click that thumbs up button below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and hit that bell icon so you get notified of my new videos. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.